In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust how line charts are layered in Microsoft Excel with E. So here we have a graph showing the budget, actuals, and a forecast. And let's just say we wanted to tweak this chart a bit so the forecast overlays the actuals line. For example, for instance, where it disconnects from orange to green. To do this, we can click on the graph, click on the filter icon, and we can go from here and click select data. And from here, we can adjust the order of the lines in this line chart by clicking on this arrow right here. And as we can see in this example, the actuals is below the forecast. But we can tweak this to have the forecast below the actuals. Click OK. And now we can see the forecast is now overlaying the actuals line and is not showing anymore. And we can do this to tweak kind of the priorities or the layering of the graphs. As you can see, the legend will change as well. So if we wanted the budget to be different on the right, for example, even though the graph doesn't change, as you can see by changing the layering or ordering of the lines, the legend changes as well. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.